up and down the coast, from the beaches to the valleys. At 6, this is KEYT News Channel 3, where the news comes first.
Ventura and San Luis Obispo counties could see more COVID restrictions if they do not get the number of cases under control. Meantime, Santa Barbara County is staying in its current tier. Good evening, everybody. I'm CJ Ward. Beth is working from home tonight. We begin at 6 o'clock with the fight against COVID-19 and the possibility that some counties face more restrictions. News Channel 3 senior reporter John Palmentary is tracking Santa Barbara County numbers, and he joins us live. John, folks can get new, easy-to-read data on COVID right now.
And Santa Barbara County is trying to get back on track after making some good progress in September. You might recall is very impressive. We were almost getting to the orange tier, but now there's been a setback, and that's going to affect the COVID recovery timeline.
From October 26th through 11/9, the active cases demonstrates a 39% increase.
Santa Barbara County had hoped to be in a less restrictive COVID-19 tier by now, but it remains in the substantial level, or the red tier. The county health director says the state overall is struggling to improve as well.
This bar, if it is red, it denotes that the trend in new cases is increasing, and if it is green, which it is not, denotes that it is decreasing.
The numbers are often hard to follow for the average person. That's why a new user-friendly dashboard in English and Spanish has been created.
The charts and graphs really do help tell the local story of COVID-19 and will help provide our residents with an opportunity to view the data so that they can make the best informed decision.
I'm always surprised at how people are asking me always for more data, and I'm scratching my head. I'm not a data nerd, really. This is now what they wanted.
Hitting the streets with the most current report card means places like restaurants will not be able to increase their inside seating capacity anytime soon. By not dropping down into the orange tier, which is less restrictive, restaurants are going to have to continue to rely on their outside seating as the primary area for their guests, which is what we've had in the past week. For some restaurants, they can only space out their inside tables so much, and then they max out.
Right now, we're just still following the 6 feet rule. Yeah. So, I mean, going into another tier, unfortunately, our tables remain the same. We had people eating outside in the rain actually on Saturday, which was pretty funny too.
Here at Sharky's, having the outside TVs for sports has been a big boost for business, especially during the recent basketball and baseball playoffs and during the ongoing football season. They're also taking steps to weatherproof the TV screens in case more wet weather hits the area like we saw on Saturday. And you wonder what more Santa Barbara County health officials can do. They've hammered home the message about wearing a mask and avoiding large group settings or gatherings like that, which they say is the #1 way that it's being spread, these community or communal gatherings, and they want that to be scaled way back for the holidays, of course. But they are trying to find out where the hot spots are and get right in there and get the message in there and double down on everything they've told us since way back in March. Reporting live in downtown Santa Barbara on the Promenade on State Street, I'm John Palmentary, News Channel 3.
All right, thank you, John. And Santa Barbara County announced 32 new cases today, bringing the total to 107.